Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 16003 Brown Schoolhouse Road in Clarendon, a sprawling ranch on a gorgeous country setting. So let's take a tour. This is one floor open country living with a great room featuring a white and bright kitchen, open to a dining area, and expansive living area, all with scenic country views and backyard access. This home also features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a spacious master suite with an updated full bathroom, laundry, and deck access. This peaceful and private country setting, situated on almost an acre, has a 4-car garage great for storage, plus a sprawling fenced-in backyard with an entertainment-sized deck and gazebo. This is why we love country living. Nearby this property is the quaint village of Holly with gorgeous Holly Falls, and Lake Ontario with Hamlin Beach State Park, great for summertime fun and barbecues. All with a short commute to Batavia or Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 16003 Brown Schoolhouse Road, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate. Cheers to living here!